Why do 80% of Californians fear wildfires? Let's dive into the devastating Mendocino Complex and Woolsey Fires of 2018. The Mendocino Complex fire, ignited in July 2018, became the largest wildfire in California's history, burning over 459,000 acres. Two fires merged, creating a firestorm that destroyed over 280 structures and forced thousands to flee. Its scale and speed overwhelmed firefighters, proving how modern wildfires are growing more uncontrollable. Meanwhile, in November 2018, the Woolsey Fire raged through nearly 100,000 acres of Southern California, including Malibu. It destroyed over 1,600 structures and displaced nearly 300,000 residents, tearing through urban and wealthy neighborhoods alike. This fire shattered the illusion that wildfires are just a rural problem. Both fires were fueled by extreme drought, fierce winds, and rising temperatures, amplifying their destruction. They taught us crucial lessons: the need for better land management, updated building codes, and a proactive approach to climate change. Remember, nature's power is unstoppable, but so is our will to adapt and protect our world. Let's act before the next firestorm erupts.